natural health for beginners.
How to make onion oil for hair growth. In this YouTube video titled, How to Make Onion Oil for Hair Growth, you'll learn how to make a powerful DIY onion oil, which is widely known for promoting hair growth, reducing dandruff, and improving hair health. Ingredients: 2 large onions, preferably red onions, as they have a higher sulfur content, half a cup of coconut oil. You can also use olive oil or castor oil as a base oil, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, optional, but great for promoting hair strength and reducing scalp issues, 10-15 curry leaves, optional, rich in antioxidants and beneficial for hair. Tools needed: blender or grater, strainer or cheesecloth, pan or saucepan, airtight container or jar. Instructions: prepare the onion. Start by peeling and chopping the 2 large onions into small pieces. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can blend the onions into a paste. Otherwise, simply grate them. Heat the oil. In a pan, pour half a cup of coconut oil and start heating it on a low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, if using, to the oil and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. The fenugreek seeds will add extra nourishment to the oil. Add onions to the oil. Once the oil is slightly warm, add the chopped or blended onion to the pan. Cook the mixture on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally until the onions turn golden brown and their natural juices have mixed well with the oil. Add curry leaves. If you're using curry leaves, add them to the mixture at this point. They will release their antioxidants and nutrients into the oil, further enriching its hair benefits. Cool and strain. After cooking, turn off the heat and let the onion oil cool down completely. Once cooled, use a strainer or cheesecloth to strain the oil, separating the solids from the pure onion-infused oil. Store the oil. Pour the strained oil into an airtight container or jar. Store it in a cool, dark place for long-term use. Application: massage the onion oil onto your scalp and hair roots. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes to an hour before washing it off with a mild shampoo. For best results, use the oil 2 to 3 times a week. This homemade onion oil will help nourish your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and boost hair growth. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.